Growth strategies require competence in all areas of the production chain. Innovation in action as an important element in continuous improvement. Necessary capacities capable of reacting flexibly to evolution in the market. Reliable partnership to achieve common goals. Prospects for the future, the here and now and tomorrow as impetus for outstanding performances. KSMA's success is based on these 5 pillars, and since 1992 has stood for steadily developed business relationships with one aspect in common: the successful implementation of growth strategies as a supplier and service provider and as a partner and source of know-how. KSMA's unchallenged expertise lies primarily in ECM technology, in addition to the related activities of jig building and contract processing. The tremendous potential of this technology was already recognized by the company at an early stage and was further developed and refined in original solutions. During electrochemical machining, particularly very hard materials can be processed with a high level of precision, without any mechanical force transmission, and the accompanying modifications in the material characteristics such as hardness or toughness. This method allows precision deburring, addition of chambers, contours, and drillings in workpieces without modifying the structure of the component, without debris being an issue, or performance of tapping and polishing work on highly sophisticated serial components. Sophisticated solutions for valves and measurement and control technology, the pharmaceutical, biotechnical, and automobile industry. In the ECM process, the conductive workpiece forms the anode, and the tool electrode the cathode. Surrounded by an electrolyte solution, the material is specifically electrochemically decomposed by the action of the direct current. Mastery of this process during serial production calls for complex know-how. KSMA covers the entire spectrum of the workflow chain. That is why it makes sense to contact us already during the development phase. We are familiar with notions such as simultaneous engineering and supply chain management, and develop and produce the appropriate ECM plants and matching jigs. As a system provider covering the entire spectrum of ECM technology, we are able to provide our customers feasibility studies, cost efficiency analyses, and prototypes at an early stage. The decision is also made in this case as to whether serial production at the customer's premises is profitable, or whether the component is to be produced by KSMA ECM contract processing. Today's innovations are tomorrow's jobs. When it comes to ECM technology, we were part of it from the very outset, and have assigned tasks to this innovative technology that would have been inconceivable a few years ago. A major share of our annual budget is directly allocated to research and development. We have precise knowledge of our market and know what will be needed in the future. And since the markets are evolving increasingly quickly and the product life cycles are becoming increasingly shorter, we directly incorporate these requirements in our plants and jigs. We improve the degree of efficiency and also ensure that our machines and plants will require less energy in the future. Experience plus innovation equals sustainable growth for our customers and for us too. If ever the past has taught us a lesson, it is that the market can sometimes behave more flexibly than previously predicted in the boldest calculations. We are familiar with your products and know what you need. Outsourcing of various product stages ought to form part of our joint product strategy, so as to be able to react to fluctuations in the market. A product life is too short for us. We think further ahead. We think, above all, holistically. This means training our customers' employees and providing the necessary know-how transfer. We endeavor to provide our customers everything they need within our service portfolio in order to accomplish their tasks, either with new ECM plants, with upgrading and retrofitting of existing ECM plants, or also with ECM contract processing for smaller, medium-sized, and larger series. As a system supplier, we are also, however, a partner for CNC serial components. Even we cannot work miracles, but we can apply our know-how in such a way as to provide you a reliable partner by your side, who also masters the entire logistics sector. Not so big as to lose sight of the individual service, but nevertheless big enough to master even larger assignments on an equal footing. Partnership with guaranteed added value. KSMA's fine reputation is based on sustainable and far-sighted company planning in pursuit of quality improvement. Continuous improvement of workflows and production stages is therefore your asset in working together with us. In order to fulfill your requirements in the future too, we place emphasis on two factors. 1. Owing to the extremely complex set of tasks involved, training, qualification, promotion, and motivation of all our employees have always occupied a central position in our company structure. Through specific training, we convey all the support and methods of our quality management system in order to enable our employees to cope with the daily challenges confidently and with state-of-the-art knowledge. We naturally also provide apprenticeships, for good employees are our best capital. 2. Investments. We invest in the production process and constantly care for and maintain our fleet of machines. Investment decisions for our new technologies and machines are made at an early stage, with the result that A. we remain one step ahead of the rest, and B. we constantly optimize the production and machining process. KSMA, system supplier for innovative ECM technology.